दोस्तों, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आपसे स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं बायोमॉलिक्यूल के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर प्राइमरली प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय प्लांट एंड फॉर्म a very large group of naturally occurring organic compounds. Some common example of cane sugar, glucose, starch, etc. Most of them have a general follow CXH2OI chemical. Chemically, the carbohydrate may be defined as typically active polyhydrates, aldehydes, or ketones are the compounds which produce such units in hydrolysis. Different types of monosaccharide: carbon atom 3, triose, aldotriose, ketone, 4, tetroose, aldotetroose, ketotetroose, 5th, pentose, aldopentose, ketopentose, 6, hexose, aldohexose, ketohexane, 7, heptose, aldoheptose, ketoheptose. Monosaccharide कहते हैं carbon that cannot be hydrolyzed to give a simple unit of polyhydrates. Aldehyde ketone is called monosaccharide. Polysaccharide carbohydrate that yield two or more monosaccharides on hydrolysis are called oligosaccharide. Polysaccharide carbohydrates which yields a large number of monosaccharide units on hydrolysis. Monopolysaccharide. The monosaccharide contains an aldehyde, it is known as aldose, and it contains keto group, it is known as ketose. Glucose from sucrose from starch, say 12S22O11 plus H2O in presence of H plus or C6H12O6, C6H12O6. Starch C6H10O5N plus NH2O H plus 393 Kelvin to 3 and C6H12O6. CHO CHOH का whole 4 CH2OH NHN HIC CHO CHOH का whole 4 CH2OH H2OH CH double bond NOH CHOH का whole 4 CH2OH CHO CHOOH 4 CH2OH SCN3H CNOH CHOOH का whole 4 CH2OH. Glucose gets oxidized to 6 carbon of CHO CHOH whole 4 CH2OH Br2 water OH CHOH whole 4 CH2OH. Glucose CHO CHOH का whole 4 CH2OH acidic anhydride CHO CHO C double bond O CH3 का whole 4 CH2O C double bond O CH3 CHO CHOH whole 4 CH2OH oxidation C double OH CHOH का whole 4 C double OH saccharic acid oxidation gluconic acid का C double OH CHOH का whole 4 CH2OH. Structures of glucose plus minus glyceraldehyde HOH CHO CH2OH minus HOH CHO CH2OH D plus CHOH CH2OH CHO HOH OH HOH HAOH CH2OH CHO alpha D glucose alpha D plus glucose CHOH HOH OH CH2OH pyran benzene oil. Such isomers that alpha forms and beta forms are called anomers. Alpha D plus glucopyran alpha beta glycopyran furan pentagon alpha fructofuran CH2OH HCOH OH H HOH HO CH2OH alpha D fructose beta D fructose HO CH CH2OH HO H HOH HO CH2OH fructose pentagon OH HOH CH2OH CH2OH beta D minus fructofuran CH2OH पेंटेन O में HOH OHH CH2OH C12H22O11 plus H2 alpha D plus glucose D minus glucose C6H12O6 CH2 OHH OH HOH OHH HOH OHO CH2O CHO CH2 pentagon HOH OHH CH2OH Hydrolysis of sucrose brings about a change in cyanide rotation from dextrose to lipo and the product is named inverted sugar maltose. In alpha glucose unit in which C1 of the one glucose is C4 of another glucose unit second D alpha D glucose beta D galactose benzene CH2OH HOHH OHH HOH HOH CH2OH HO HOH OHH beta glucose amyloid water soluble compound which constitute about 50% of style chemically amyloid a long unbranched chain with 200 से 1000 body glucose had to be held by C1 से C4 glycoside linkage amylopectin is insoluble in water and constitutes about 85% of starch. It is branch chain polymer of alpha glucose unit in which chain is formed by C1 to C4 glycoside linkage with branching occurs at C1 to glycoside linkage amylose HO OHH HOH HO CH2OH O H CH2OH HO HO SOH OH O H OHH CH2OH O HOH O H O amylopectin O H CH2OH O CHOH SOH HOH O H CH2OH O H O OHH O alpha link branch at C6 O CHO O H OHH CH2OH SOH O H O O H benzene O OHH HOH CH2 H H O alpha link OH benzene O CH2OH H H H O OHH HOH amylopectin cellulose OH CH2 benzene O O OH OH O benzene H2C OH OH O OH alpha beta link O benzene O CH2 OH 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 cellulose glycine H GLYG alanine minus CH3 alanine A valine H3C का होल ट्वाइस CH valine B leucine CH3C का होल ट्वाइस CH2 L isoleucine CH3C CH2 CH OCH3 H EH arginine HN double bond CNH CH2 का होल थ्राइस NH2 ARG lysine H2N CH2 का होल 4 L by S K glutamic COOH CH2 gluconic A aspartic acid SOOC CH2 aspartic D glutamine H2N COO CH2 CH2 GLNQ asparagine H2N COO CH2 SN 309 SCCHOH 309T serine HOCH2 serine S16 HSCH2 SC methionine S3CH ESCH2 CH3 2 METM phenylalanine C6H 5 CH2 PHEF. Tyrosine POHO C6H4 CH2 RY. Tryptophan benzene pentagon NH CH2 TRP. Histidine pentagon NH H2CN HISH. Proline pentagon CH2 NH H COOH Pro F. RCH NH2 COOH. Irreversible RCH COOO minus NH3. Deuterion structures of protein H2N and H2 COOH plus H2N CH COOH CH3 minus H2 H2N CH2 CONH CH COOH CH3. Peptide link. Alpha helix structure of protein. Beta pleated sheet structure of proteins. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary. R group, heme group, NOCH, hemoglobin structure. The particles in the nucleus are correspond to chromosomes which are middle other 5 or GY Watson. Beta D ribose bentane O HOS HOS CH2OH H HOH OH H pentane O HOH OH H CH2OH OH H. Adenine pentane C double bond C NH C double bond N C double bond C N NH2 CH double bond N. Adenine. Guanine HC double bond N C double bond C NH C double bond O NH C double bond C NH2 double bond N. Guanine. Cytosine NH2 C double bond N single bond C double bond O single bond NH single bond CH HC double bond CH. Cytosine. Thymine C double bond O double bond NH C double bond O NH C HC double bond O double bond C CH3. Thymine. Uracil C double bond O NH C double bond O NH HC double bond HC. Structure of a nucleoside and a nucleotide. देखिए दोस्तों क्या स्ट्रक्चर है. शुगर बेस एकदम फॉस्फोडाइनिक. Double bond helix structure for DNA. Why cannot vitamin C be stored in our body? First question: what products would be formed from a nucleotide from DNA containing thymine is hydrolyzed? When RNA is hydrolyzed, there is no relationship among the quantities of different bases obtained. What does this fact suggest about the structure of DNA? धन्यवाद दोस्तों. चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. धन्यवाद दोस्तों. आ जाइए.